Hello and welcome to the Wedding School. Today it's all about the table details. The plain white tablecloth with 5 little tea lights is out. Creating interest and texture in your tables is definitely in. We spend a lot of time at white+white creating unique table looks for our couples. And don't worry, it doesn't have to cost the earth. By simply substituting the white linen with a coloured or textured tablecloth, switching out the cutlery, adding a charger plate or two, and folding and placing your napkin in a really fun way, your table can transform in minutes and create that wow factor. Today I'm going to show you how with 3 easy steps and using some gorgeous items from the Supper Club. Step 1 is the dinnerware. A personal favourite right now is the mason dinnerware, which is perfect for a feasting style. Step 2, the cutlery. The world is your oyster when it comes to cutlery these days. Think black, gold, rose gold, copper and two-tone. Coloured cutlery is a great way to bring your table to life. And third, the napkin. An obsession of mine is napkins. I just love how a coloured or print can bring a table to life. We are loving the burnt orange, the olive green, the blush tones. And a hot tip is a napkin treatment. We love experimenting with napkin folds and placements. Let me show you some of our favourites. The knot. It is a relaxed yet stylish treatment. The napkin bundle. This treatment is the most simple but also widely used. 3 folds and you're done. The wrapped look. Fold a napkin in thirds, wrap it around the plate and tuck the ends in. And you're done. Draped. Drape each guest's napkin off the edge of the table. And lastly, gathered. Gather the napkin loosely and place.